And as long as you've always been, they will never grow in to what you were before, so that you have a bypass. This completion of a new neighborhood, as it is called, a new regeneration, a butterfly, a new dream with a caterpillar, being born again, all of it comes down to that quiet, willful decision on your part. The faithfulness to the new guide of self is in order. It must be said and thought throughout the day and self-corrected when it goes off of it, because you never want these new neurons to get tangled up in the old way of thinking. This is about reincarnation, but it is about also that you are reality. See, when you're making this, you already are ordering up reality in a new way. You and reality are not separated, not even after you die, which we will get into.